So hey guys, just a little bit of my trading for today. I'm gonna try and post daily as I come on here. We're doing some binary trades today in the market. I currently have 4 indicators on: the zigzag, the fractal, the moving average 2, and the moving average 5. When our moving average 2 crosses over our moving average 5, we're taking sales. So we're going down, and then vice versa. When our 5 crosses over our 2, we're taking buys. And then I also have the zigzag on here. Just kind of helps you identify when you're kind of at the end of a sale and your transitioning point. Your fractals also give you that confirmation as well, that we're at the end. So you have a fractal there letting you know that we are about to take sales. Here you notice no fractal here, even though it is the end of that transitioning point, but there are no fractals here, so we are still in the sale, which is identified here. There's no fractals here, so we are still in the sale, which is identified here. And you see a fractal here will let you know we're about to go into a buy, which they did, and it continued up. This fractal here changed, so we're going into sales, which it did. Continued down, there's a fractal here, let you know we're going into buys, and it did. Once it broke our trend line and it closed below our trend line, if you look over there, you can see that that closed right below that trend line, right there. So our trend line identified that it broke, so we knew that we were going into a sale. Once it closed below that trend line, once that came on, our identifying confirmation fractal came on, letting us know we're going into sales. So I popped a sale right there to start the sale trend down, which we are still in the sale. Your fractal identified here that it was the end of that particular run, but it did not change directions, so we knew we were still in a sale there. Our lines did not cross on that, so that gave us our confirmation that we're still in a sale. We don't see our crossing as of yet. We do see this candle here going up. I would not get into a sale or a buy here yet. So we are just in this morning in the market. We have our stochastic oscillator here on the bottom, and our RSI, which is set on 14. That's yet another confirmation for us. We don't want to take any transactions right here just yet. We want to see what the market does. As you see, this line for the fractal is on this one. If this candle comes down any further, it's going to extend this one, but if not, like it looks like it is going up on a buy, and if it stays there, we have 25 seconds remaining on this particular candle. If it stays there, we know that we are going into another fractal that is going to go up, and so we're going to watch it, see what our moving averages do and what our oscillator stochastics does before we get into a transaction. So this is yet one other means of our investing for us. We do the markets, and I did let you all know that I was going to be posting. Oh, here it goes. That new candle broke up. Looks like it's going to be a buy. You see our lines getting ready to cross here. I'm going to pop just, I'm going to give it a second here. Let's take a look at the bigger picture. So we can see that this is a resistant area, a big resistance area previously. So if you go in between that zone, so if you're in that zone there, you know that this is a reversal area. So we'll be reversing up here. So I'm going to take a trade here after this candle completes. If it crosses over, then I will. Okay, it's coming back down, so we may not. And you see that this zigzag has not yet reversed up to add any candles for a new direction. So we may be going down still some more. That those lines, the moving averages are opening and closing, so it's playing. So we're going to play safe for a few minutes and not take a position yet, and kind of see where it goes for the time being. We are still coming down. We have 18 seconds remaining on this candle. Let's look at the Heikin-Ashi. Okay, so we're on the same thing. Okay, and so it has crossed, and we are coming down. We just popped an order. We are in. We have 8 seconds remaining. We're doing 30-second trades here. Lower. And we just won that trade. 1138 added to our total. I'm going to pop one more time here. No, I'm not. I'm going to wait till this candle closes. Well, we'll see. Looks like we're still going down. Our fractal just moved. Did you see it come down to this calendar? To this candle. I don't know why I want to keep saying calendar. It just came down to this candle. So we're going to watch this one. Looks like it's going up. Retracement. Let's watch this. Let's see. 17.99, 175. It's coming back down, retracement. We're gonna watch this candle. You see the moving averages here dancing back and forth, dancing back and forth. What time is it? 11:45, so a lot of people are starting to get out of the market. Banks and all are starting to go to lunch, so we're gonna see. Okay. Got some movement here. It did cross over, so our moving averages did cross over, stating that we're going to some buys. Stochastic has not yet crossed over. It is still touching each other. We want a good identifier for our stochastic. It's not in our oversold or overbought or oversold areas yet, but it is below our median line, so we want to see. I'm going to pop a buy here. I have 18 seconds on this calendar, on this timer. We are in positive. 3 seconds remaining. Awesome job. We just won that trade. So great job there. And when I'm looking at where it previously reversed at. So we know that that's a strong reversal area. So as you see now, it's playing that area. It's bouncing back off of that previous reversal area. So we're looking at that, and I don't like to clutter my chart up with a bunch of lines, but you can see here that this area, you see this is me here, moving this. So this gives me, I'm lining it up with where we were at previously. Previously our reversal areas, and it is definitely playing that reversal. Watch here. If it pushes past this with some momentum, we're going to continue up for the buy. If it does not, it is going to reverse. So we are pushing right now, but you just want to be careful. We can wait for this candle to close. This particular candle is pushing, it's pushing. It has 30 seconds remaining on this candle. And these are 2 minute, 1 minute candles. 1 minute. I'm on the 1 minute chart right here. 1 minute candles. Oh, it says it right there too. So we 13 seconds remaining on this candle. And it has pushed past this area. So we're looking to reverse up here. And we're going to take another buy. I'm gonna let it do some reversing for me for a second here. This is our retracement. You see our fractal just came up, identifying this might be the end of that run, so we may be reversing out here. And the name of this is patience. Patience in our trading. I am not a professional. Just to let you know, we are still learning. Still learning, so. I just want to share with you as I go. Building my retirement fund, buying some land, buying some more houses. Okay, here we go. It did reverse. So we see that about to cross over. It's playing with it. It's playing with it. 42 seconds remaining on that candle. Let's see how that closes out. Remember, on the candles, usually those last 20 to 30 seconds, it usually does a retracement. We have some momentum here. We have some pushing going on. This is on gold that we're trading. It's 11 seconds. Looks like it's going to form us a doji. So if you haven't looked in your candlestick patterns, reach out to me. I'll get you the free candlestick book that you can, I'm making this bigger so I can see it, guys. But I'll get you that free candlestick book that you can start studying. Here we go. We have done our cross. That candlestick closed. We're on the 1 minute candle. We're reduction. We're going to wait till this retracement goes. Well, we missed that retracement. It's going to go back, I think, though. 26 seconds. We could have got 3 trades out of that one candle right there. It retraced like 3 times. Did y'all see that? But I did not pop. I have not popped anything yet. So I want to be sure on my trade. It looks like we might be consolidating a little bit here. $17.99, 152, 175. So we're right in the consolidation period. We got a bunch of dojis. Our stochastic is just a little separated. RSI is in the median. You see RSI is floating right on that middle line there. So that means we're consolidating. So we're going to hold still until we either break out for a sale or break out for a buy with some momentum. Let's go and take a look and see what else is in the market. What's else is going on. Let's see, USD, RUB. Ooh, that's moving with some momentum right there, for sure. Okay, we got a little consolidation here. We got some pushing going on though. We're in a sale for the most part, so we'll be looking for sales. Doesn't look like it's reversing. We are on the 1 minute calendar, as I said. 1 minute candle. Me and calendar is just like a word for today, must be. You can see here some consolidation going on just a little bit. We're on 30 seconds remaining on this candle. Let's see what it is doing. We reverse here for the buy. We're still technically in a buy. We have 2 retracement candles there. We're still in a buy. It has not crossed back over. You see here, it crossed there last. It has not crossed back over yet. It's trying to decide what it wants to do. You see our stochastic is in our oversold area, so it's going to do some buying unless it stays right there. Our RSI is a little bit below the median, so we can do some buying. See, our stochastic is turning up a little bit, so we're just gonna watch it. That's USD, RUB, OTC. So this is the binary market, OTC. It is buying right now. Our fractal just identified a low point. Our zigzag, excuse me, identified a low point. Our last fractal is still identifying for a buy. So we're in the buy. This candle looks like it's in a buy. I haven't clicked it yet, but I'm looking to take a buy. Give that a few seconds. 42 seconds it looks like. And it's selling. Here goes your retracement on the end of this candle. Looks like it's going to give us a buy for sure. I should have popped when I thought I did. We have 6 seconds remaining on this calendar. 3, 2, 1. We cleared that one. We won that one. $12.13 added to our bucket. All right, guys. So I'm going to keep chugging at it. I may come back in and do another video on showing you how to look at the amounts and how to read everything on this chart. All right, you all have a blessed day. This is Kimberly Ladoris coming at you with a investing video today. Just in the markets, trapping some change. Price trappers. Ooh, here we go. That looks sweet. What y'all say? Let's see what our... Okay, we've been here before. So this is the strong reversal point. You look at the last high. We're making new highs, so it just reversed on us. Go the other way. Looks like it's going back down for some sales. It just reversed on us, gave us our candlestick there. And I think we're going to cross and come back down. just popped. $20 seconds remaining on this, on my timer, on my trade here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cleared. Just made it in. And it is crossing over. All right, guys, that came right at the last minute there. So good one. I will touch base with you all a little later. We're going to finish getting the markets. We're building this account here to $10,000. And we will touch base with you all in a little while. All right, you all have an awesome day. Look forward to talking to you soon. Bye, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. Let's get this channel up. Let's learn together. We're going to trade together. We're going to do some real estate investing together. Let's get this channel up. Look forward to talking to you all soon. Bye, guys.